Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do an evening cleaning routine. I feel like since we are all at home, by the end of the day, the apartment is a complete disaster. There's toys everywhere, there's crafts everywhere, and just kind of random things all over the place. I try to do this every afternoon or evening, but some days it just doesn't get it done. So if that's you today, please don't feel bad. I just wanted to share some motivation today if you are in need. I'm not going to do anything too crazy, just kind of do a bit of a tidy up all over the place and clean the bathrooms and just do a bit of a refresh. So I'm going to start actually in the earlier afternoon. I wanted to do some crafts with Victor, and this is one that he actually really likes. He's really into shapes at the moment, and one thing that he also likes doing is sticking things together. So I have this glue stick, and I'm going to cut off some shapes in different colors, and I'm going to outline them on this piece of paper. So the point of this activity obviously is to do matching of the shapes and the colors as well, because they are different colors. So he had a lot of fun doing this. I just wanted to share this because I know a lot of you are looking for activities to do with your little ones at home.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how?
So while he does that, I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up in the kitchen as much as I can. What I'm actually going to start by tidying up is the arts and crafts section. I actually got all of these things out of the cupboard because I obviously prepared the activity for Victor. So I'm going to put those back in their place.
Useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed.
Next up, I'm going to hand wash a few dishes that don't really go in the dishwasher, like this big tray that I use for the oven and my bamboo spatulas. Those are wooden ones, so obviously they would get ruined in the dishwasher. So I'm going to wash them using my Dishmatic. I really love this brush because it's really easy and convenient to use for dishes. And I'm going to put the trays back in the oven. Where do you guys store your oven trays? Let me know, but I always store mine in the oven just because in this small flat I don't really have another place for them, so that's where they go usually.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go, 'cause every time I try you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you go. When I come back you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
I'm also going to hand wash this fruit bowl, which is from Ikea.
Where to push or pull, and I am going mad just like you knew I would.
Next up, I'm going to start spraying down the counters and the splash area behind the stove, and I'm just using my method spray for this. For the sink, I'm adding a bit of Zoflora and then also some hot water just because it helps disinfect and kind of unclog a bit as well. So that's what I'm doing right here, just kind of freshening up the sink, and it gives a really nice scent. My favorite one is the linen fresh one from Zoflora. I just find it really fresh and not too overpowering, so I really like that scent. Next up in this corner, I have my makeup bag from this morning. I didn't tidy it up this morning when I did my makeup, and I do my makeup in here because my husband works on my dressing table. So I just bring my makeup in here because it's easier for me to do it this way while Victor is playing around. And I definitely do not put on makeup every day, especially during these days. I just wanted to get a bit more put together because I was doing a bit of filming today. I'm also going to spray down these surfaces as well.
When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an Mustang, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop.
Next up, I'm going to tidy up Victor's snack drawer. Now, I obviously don't have to do this, but it just gives me so much joy, and it's so satisfying to have all of them laid out nicely. They don't last for even a day, but I just really enjoy doing this task, so I'm just gonna do it today. So yeah, he's got quite a few snacks to choose from in the next few weeks. And the second he saw me do that, he came instantly to grab a snack, obviously.
I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay. I run away, hit the road in an Mustang, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back just like a boomerang.
Oh dear.
It's all there.
There he is. Mommy.
Spinning on my shoulders, so what's the use of trying, baby?
The living room was absolutely ridiculously covered with toys. I feel like that happens every single day by the end of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and start tidying up. I do get Victor to tidy up as well, but obviously he's quite young, so he does get bored quite easily. So he does help me. He like puts a few toys in the basket and then he gets bored and moves on to something else. But at least he, you know, he tries to help.
I keep on coming back just like a
I'm also going to spray down his table and just put it back. He has his meals here because he really likes sitting there. I'm going to tidy up his play kitchen and just put everything back in place. And I'm also going to straighten up the throws in here, just fold them up and put them back in this basket that I have on this side.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours.
Probably the most satisfying part of this cleanup, for me at least, is tidying up all of the toys from the floor. It just makes such a huge difference when you can actually see the floor underneath. So I just really enjoy actually tidying up all of this.
As long as I'm with you, yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like.
Here I'm just spraying down the dining table with my method spray just to kind of freshen it up after we've had dinner. And then while Victor is watching a little bit of Little Baby Bum on Netflix, I'm going to hoover the entire flat. And the living room and kitchen are always particularly bad just because obviously there's a lot of crumbs on the floor. We eat in here, so it just gets quite messy.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got
Next on my to-do list were the bathrooms, so I really needed to give them a big cleanup. I'm going to start by tidying up all of the bath toys after Victor's bath.
stuff, got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on.
I'm going to put back the bath mats because I washed them in the washing machine earlier today and they were almost completely dry by now. For the bathtub, I like to use this Method bathroom spray and then also this Minky sponge dupe. This one is from Primark, but obviously any type of sponge like this will work. It's got kind of like a rough side and then also a very fine spongy one. So it's really nice for using in the bathrooms.
Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one.
Next, I'm going to spray down this shower glass that we have here.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
And then I'm also going to clean Victor's toilet seat. So this is just like an adapter that we got. This is from the My Carry Potty, I believe it's called. It's from Amazon. I will link it down below. He's been doing really well at sitting on the big toilet as well. And he actually prefers it to the small potty. I think he feels like a big boy when he does it. So he much prefers it that way.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
For the toilet, I like to use the Duck Lime Scale Bleach. And then on the outside and like the toilet seat, I just use the Method spray. And then I also have the Duck Fresh Discs. I'm going to change the towels in here, and then I'm also going to spray down the mirror and the sink here, just kind of freshen it up.
Cliff so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
And that's about it for today's evening cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know where you are watching from today. What country are you from? I would really love to know and kind of get to know you a bit better as well. So let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.